So we're going to start with a short video.
It doesn't matter if you're a software guru or you just started the journey through software world, you know that most of your ideas are made by simple chunks of code, often adapted later in different projects. Snip to Code, as a fresh and professional approach to the new era of software development, is a platform for the companies and private developers, created to collect, organize, and share code snippets on your preferred development environment. To improve the efficiency, take advantage of a particular snippet and reuse it in your own scenario, instead of wasting time on Googling and browsing. Be the help desk for others and share your best practices. Save more than 20% in the costs of your projects. Optimize your work with Snip to Code.
Hello, I'm Cristiano. This is James. We are from Snip to Code, where coders share snippets.
As you all probably know, software development projects are often inefficient and fall victim to lots of redundant coding. Budgets are tight, there's often cost overruns, and deadlines are tight, and you often blow right through them. This is a real and expensive problem. Snip to Code makes software development teams significantly more productive by providing an integrated and streamlined platform for sharing code snippets. These are the basic building blocks for all software development projects. And it provides a reservoir of expertise and best practices that stays with a team and stays with a company. Everyone can find usefulness with Snip to Code, with the Snip to Code platform, but especially because of the cost and resource savings. Our target customers are dev managers and project managers, and by extension, VPs of engineering and C-level executives. We're already serving over 1 million visits per month to about 100,000 monthly active users, and we have over 160,000 code snippets in our database. And all this growth is organic. It's with little or no promotion or advertising. This proves that coders are more than willing to adopt Snip to Code and add it to their tool belts. So you're all probably already wondering, well, how is Snip to Code different than other software development tools like GitHub and like Stack Overflow? Well, I'm going to turn it back over to Cristiano here, who's going to give you a demo, and you can figure it out for yourself.
Okay, so Snip to Code comes as a web app together with several plugins directly integrated into development environments daily used by programmers. As a coder, I want to introduce to my team my code snippets and share my knowledge. So inside my preferred IDE, I just select a piece of code and add a title, basically, to better define the way in which and the scope of the snippet. Then I select who we share the snippet to, and I can also bring other information like description, tags, properties, generally speaking, metadata that can be useful to better describe the performances, the scope, the constraints of this code snippet. Now, we switch on the web app where I will impersonate my friend Matteo. He is an editor of the Snip to Code dev group, and in this quality, he can just add other interesting part on this snippet, and the saved change can be propagated to all the members instantly. You can also vote on the snippet, you can comment on it, and basically do a lot of other stuff. Like, for example, see our best users inside our platform. Now, back to Eclipse, we will see our just edited snippet inside our search capabilities. So I just check it on the query windows, and I can also filter and refine my result set through the preferred language, the framework used, and so on. Now, what I want to do is to make everyone aware about this pearl of wisdom. To do this, I want to publish the snippet on our channels that basically are a collection of snippets that share the same topic, okay? So I think for today, this is enough, you know?
Well, Snip2Code is available as a cloud service. It's available for free to individual users who want to share their code snippets with the open source community. And there's a monthly subscription fee for premium users who want to create private groups. For companies that want to install Snip2Code behind their firewalls and on their own private infrastructure, we also offer an annual license fee. And one can also buy an instance of the Snip2Code virtual machine on Amazon AWS Marketplace.
Okay, so we are opening our seed round, and we are also looking for potential partners and customers for pilot program on the corporate side. Our goal is to become the #1 platform where coders can collect, organize, and share their code snippet. And this is Snip2Code. Thank you very much.
All right. Good stuff. Okay, so I restarted your clock. So we have about 4.5 minutes for questions. Hands up high, engineers in the room. Nobody. Oh, in the back.
Bueller? Anyone?
Let me ask you real quick. So how do you go up against GitHub?
Good question.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, we produced our technology thanks to our team that is engaged and created this product through the PhD programs we ran on. And it's basically a 7-year technology. We are more than open to think about partnership with people like GitHub. And basically, we run through the code snippets instead of taking the source control of the overall software. So we are basically the Twitter of GitHub.
We work
You heard it here
alongside
first, the Twitter of GitHub.
the Twitter of GitHub.
Somebody tweet that, please.
We see GitHub as a partner and as another tool in the belt of the coder, where we've already ingested a lot of the public gists right into our snippet database. And as Cristiano said, we've developed this semantic ontology and queryability, which GitHub does not have, which goes beyond just the metadata that might be attached to a snippet, but actually includes the patterns that are within the code itself. And this is non-trivial. And so we think that GitHub is an ideal partner for us.
You might have addressed this already, but I'm over here in the middle. Hey.
Okay.
How are you guys making money?
Well, right now it's available for free, but we're going to soon start charging for a monthly subscription fee for premium users. And this will be, we've looked at the way that our business model is very similar to GitHub's, for example, whereas if you're sharing snippets with the open source community, it's free. But if you want to create private groups and share it just with snippets with your team, and this is important for companies that are doing proprietary development, then you have to pay for the subscription or install it on your own infrastructure. For example, for regulated industries like healthcare and finance and insurance and what have you, there's an annual license fee. So that's how we're going to be making money. But for example, it starts at up to 10 users using Snip2Code for a month will be $25 per month. Per month.
What kind of traction have you guys had so far?
Well, like we were saying, we have over 1 million visits per month already with no promotion. We have about 100,000 monthly active users. So we just started rolling this out. How long ago did we make it public?
We launched in 2013, start gathering early acquisition and early traction. And then, basically, at the beginning of 2014, we were enrolled in a plug-and-play accelerator program that gave us a boost on the part of the program. And then, now, we are launching our subscription model for public access and our corporate program for enterprise-level solution.
So what we're looking for right now actually is our corporate customers that would like to be pilot programs and get the feedback, because we've found with the free programs that we've done already and with our own internal team that the productivity gain is at least 20%. And the more you use the Snip-to-Code platform, it's a law of aggregating returns rather than diminishing returns. You should start getting more increased productivity the more people use it.
We're down to the wire. Any final questions on the side? In the back, of course, the last guy in the corner. Hold on. Take a mic.
As far as the markets, how popular are you in North America or internationally? Like, where are all the engineers? Where are the visitors coming from?
There's two kinds of users of Snip-to-Code: the publishers that provide the content, and the consumers that just read the content. From the point of view of the publishers, we are quite spread all around the world, while from the point of view of the consumers, there's definitely a much more people on the United States and basically North America, 35%, and then going down in Europe, 20%, and in Eastern Asia, 15%.
Well, it's probably all the time that we have. But our team, you asked about our team, it was founded originally in Italy, and Cristiano is from Genoa, and part of our team is in Italy, and part of our team is in the US, and so it's a truly international company. So.
All right. Snip-to-Code, what do you think? The Twitter of GitHub.